What this look like?
That's obviously a slime monster.
No, wrong. This at the beginning and the end of the universe in a slime farm. And you go address him as Lord RIMURU from now on. He look Corey dead in a ear, you ask him, say, have you ever been swallowed up?
Hey!
In the midst of a fight, him a level up. And I take away my skills, them and I master them. Ref! In give Veldor a manga for read.
Is that a problem?
One chaos level dragon with a humanoid build ever slap you with multiple Hadoukens and Kamehameha wave simultaneously? Yeah?
No.
Well, I better pray say stay that way because it not feel good. If you cry peace, don't ask him about peace. I will just take heed so you can live another day. Yeah. Power no corrupt him. Power is him, bitch. Monsters, demons, dragons, and gods worship him instinctively. Devs, nerf him no man. Me hear one wise man say, opposing RIMURU and no rebellion. A self-deletion with extra steps. Whatever you do, don't threaten people them. Don't exploit him mercy. Don't assume say have limits and make blood clot sure say you're no clear man, yeah. You say if him ever abandon mercy completely, no war not go on. I just lone massacre.